Okay, this is just a few words to. It's been a nice sort of, what to say, pleasant and surprise ending to the meeting. We had a formal meeting, and this is a very good initiative by Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills to be able to involve promising youth and tap the potential for, like not only in.
So we approached our Deputy Commissioner, sir, and said, sir, can you help us financially so that we can produce a video song in Khasi, so those the people will understand the importance of having an aadhar card. So in the song, we are trying to make people understand that aadhar card is unique identity and it is the only one that we can trust. And also we are trying to show that what are the features that are there in Aadhar, like for updating our phone number. Our faces may be changed from years to years, but through Aadhar we can always update even our faces, our picture there, and the phone number. And in case if we lost or forget to bring that Aadhar card, we can always download it from the mobile. And so those are some of the features that we trying to display in this video song. I hope with this little contribution that we got from the support of the Deputy Commissioner, sir, I hope it will help the people get friendly with the Aadhar. We are trying our best that the song and the video will get friendly with the people, and they will make sure to enroll themselves in Aadhar. Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's great honor.